Some days I just feel like a bee with no queen. I just can't always clock the pace, been falling off for days. Can't wait to take my chances and tornado from Kansas to coast. Seems too close to oceans. They hope to roll in and shake the land up. The owners will put their hands up and dip with benefits. Big fish never get caught, won't flinch. I caught hooks in spots where I swim. Been landlocked. These landlords want what I cannot give. To get to space I must take up. Can't evaporate and won't stay stuck. This backward state won't shape up. Don't know my place, I gotta make it up. It's